Hey guys, welcome back. Let's go see if I can find some metals. I'm thinking there might be something in these rooms. Nope, that one didn't have anything. This wasn't here the first time I played. Looks too big to move on my own. I'll need 3 people to help me, and I currently have 0. This car was not here when I started playing. Can I look in here? Apparently not. I would have recognized it. Nope, it wasn't there. Okay, let's see what's in this one. Okay, Mr. Grabby Hands, I need to see what's in here. Come on. I honestly thought I could get out of there myself. Yeah, that room's still closed. Record store. These schemes. Okay. Let's go to the other one. Wait, first let's go check up here. Yes, there is trash. Don't know what it's going to be used for, but there's trash. Good. A steel can, a broken bottle. Hey, grandfather clock. Hi, Madam Pastrami. Hey, fish on wheels. Ah, come on! Okay, we're going back. Hey, the water moves. That's cool. Oh, it's night. I'm assuming it's 6 o'clock. Ah, I thought I could get it. No, I can't get it. Okay, let's go to the junkyard. Deposit some junk. Wait, I first want to see what I got. Oh yeah, I bought pasta squash, but I never looked at it. Pasta squash. Ripened al dente, stringy pulp has never tasted so good. Okay. Broken bottle. The tiny ship must have escaped. Can be recycled into glass stick. Alright. Broken glass. Careful, it's sharp. Grimy rag. This was once a fabulous ball gown, or maybe a gym sock. Wonder what that gets recycled into. By law, all fishing minigames are required to include an old boot. Can be recycled into plubber. All fishing minigames are supposed to have a boot. Sounds about right. Rusty old can. This used to be a can. Does that mean it's now a could? Can be recycled. Yes! I got my metal. Okay, I thought I soft locked myself, but no, I didn't, thankfully. Scrap concrete. Broken building materials can be recycled into stoncrete. And then some scrap wood. Awesome. Cool. Let's deposit everything. And let's see what I get from all this. Wow, that's a lot of stuff and I'm still going. Awesome, I got some stuff. Stoncrete. A stony, concretey material, great for building hard things. Cool. My metametal, yes! Floof. A soft, fluffy material, great for making soft things. Blubber. A plasticky rubber goo with 1,000 uses. And then obviously my lumboards and my glass stick. Awesome! Oh, I got so many things! Yes. What's the type? Maybe 7? Let's see if we can go to Pale Rider and get The bell pepper. Hey, Mr. Fish on Wheel is missing. Hey, Pale Rider.
Oh, my lady, mate.
How art thou? I am contemplating life's many great mysteries. I have something for you. Here. Hark, a fine piece of metametal. Thank you, milady. I'm not reading that sentence again. Bell pepper! Thanks. Yay! Now we can move the bell. Awesome. Well, milady May. Can you help me move some big things? I guess you need a house before I can do that. So I can't ask you that one. Bye.
Fare thee well.
Perfect. I have one thing I need. Now I can go sleep. And in the morning, we can give it to Pale Rider. And you are coming out of the ship to probably go and fish some more. I swear you want there. At 8 you get scared. Do you wake up at around 4? Let's see. I'm telling you, this thing wasn't there. 3. You wake up at 3. For the clock, we can go move the bell. Ooh, I've got 3 quests I can finish with him. Nice. I want to do the bell. Get bell unstuck. Grandfather clock needs a bell pepper to pep up broken bell. Here you go.
Sweet. This bell pepper should be just the thing to pep up that bell. Meet me over there and we'll take a look.
Yes. Perfect.
There, all pepped up and ready to move out of the way.
It's floating.
It still looks too heavy to carry on your own, but I think we could carry it if we work together. Just let me know when you're ready to move it.
This looks too big to move on my own. I'll need someone to help me. Am I able to move it? I'm ready to move the bell.
Ready to move that big bell?
Yep.
Great, just go over there and I'll come help.
Thanks.
See you around.
Let's do it! Oh, look at them moving the bell together. It's so sweet. She used her hair and he carried it. That was so cute. Where did you guys take the bell? It's open! Yeah, we can go through. Woohoo! Hey, the train's coming in. Take scrap wood. Take concrete. Take scrap metal. Oh, this is locked and I don't know how to open it. Okay, great. Now we have to figure out how to open it. But at least now I know how to get to that opening because it opens from the other side. Ooh, what's this? Hoopa Jube. What is a Hoopa Jube? Scrap concrete, scrap metal. I needed you earlier. Old metal, totally different from new metal, can be recycled. There's it. Hoopa Jube. Some sort of weird, mesmerizing Hoopa Jube. Interesting. There's another bench we can sit on. Oh, I'm in a cemetery by the looks of it. This tombstone says, "Here lies Misty Falls, who always wanted to go over a waterfall riding in a barrel. Everyone says she couldn't do it, but she did, and now she's here. There's a little vase here. Maybe I should put something in it." I don't have any flowers, so let's not do anything. Maybe I'll try again later. So you died by going over a waterfall in a bucket. Interesting. There's something written here. It says, "This grave intentionally left blank." Why? What about this one? This tombstone says, "Here lies Lily Luna, who climbed up to mountain tops, tried to reach the full moon at midnight. Unfortunately, she wasn't as good at climbing down. And one moonlight night, she reached the ground faster than expected. There's a vase here. Maybe I should put something in it." Nope. Maybe I'll try again later. Okay, so this one said Lily, right? What did you say? Misty Falls. I did something and I wasn't supposed to do it. Let's see what I gave. I don't know, but it's fine. What's this? This tombstone is too faded. I can't read what it says. An old ghost. Another faded one. This tombstone says, "Here lies Marsha Gold, who loved to sit in the marsh on rainy days. Until probably unrelatedly, she got a really bad cold and died. There's a little vase here. Maybe I should put something in it. Maybe I'll try again later." So maybe I have to get like flowers or something to put in there. Okay, we didn't go in you. Let's see. Ooh, stuff. Ah! I almost got the last item. Let's go back. I took the metal. Yes. I still got scared though. Oh well. I'm curious. What do you look like? Oh my soul! That one looks so freaky. It's so cool though. Okay, I want to see something. Ha! I can see you through the windows. That's so cool. You gotta come around here, right? Come on. Yes! You did come around. I love that you can see through the windows. I think you want to go to the church. I have to find a way to get the church open. Anyway, I want to see something. No, I thought I could use boards to open it up. Well, I guess we could sleep. Let's see if we can do one more quest with Grandfather Clock. Grandfather Clock! Let's do another quest. Okay, so we can either fix the mailbox or the workbench. If we fix the mailbox, there's a chance that it's going to be broken again in the middle of the night. I'm assuming the zombie gets out and breaks it. So let's not do that one yet. Let's see what happens if we fix the workbench. Grandfather Clock needs some parts to repair the workbench in the workshop. Here you go. Sweet. Now I have everything I need to finish that repair. Meet me over there and we'll take a look. Meet me over there and it's right here. There. Now the old workbench is all fixed up. Good as new. This really takes me back. I used to spend hours at this thing making all kinds of stuff. Of course, everyone's got to start out making a basic wooden box. Project boxes!
Looks like there are still instructions for making one right there on the workbench. Give it a try and let me see what you can do.
Yes. I can make stuff on the workshop. On the workbench. Let's see. Craft. Oh, cool. Project boxes! Yes! Okay, so I need 2 project boxes. So let's make 2. I've got 10 lumboards to make 2. Project box. A wooden box. The perfect starting point for all kinds of projects. Construct. And we can deconstruct it, so we can always get it back. Oh no, did I make 2? Okay, no. I thought each one made 2. No. It's right. Let's see. Let's talk again. Here's what you requested. Okay, I need to make another one. Project box. Grandfather Clock wants to see if you can use the workbench to make a wooden box. Wow, that's a great looking little box. You must have done this before in various other games, constantly crafting things. No, never. This is the first time using it. Really? Never? Well, kid, you're a natural at this. A project box may not look like much, but it's the first step to crafting all kinds of things. My workshop is your workshop, so anytime you need to craft something, drop on by. Whoop whoop! Okay, I need to make one more. And then we can go back to you. Here's what you requested. Okay, let's fix the desk. Grandfather Clock needs some parts to repair the desk in the town hall. There you go. Sweet. Now I have everything I need to finish that repair. Meet me over there and we'll take a look. Oh, you can actually see him move in there. That's so cool. There you go. Good as new. So, now that you fixed it, what does it do? Well, you can use it to name this town. And it has a reading lamp, so you can read any official documents or letters you find. There are some other things it can do, but it's missing some parts. I don't have replacements for those parts, but I bet they'll show up somewhere or another. Awesome! Me and Grandfather Clock are doing so many repairs today! Let's use the desk. I can write a postcard, I can name the town, I can read letters. There are postcards here, but I don't have any stamps to mail them. Okay, so we need stamps. Read letters. Deed. The deed to the town. Whomsoever holds this deed in their possession shall be declared the rightful mayor of... No backsies. No backsies. We still have to name the town. I don't know what to name it yet. We'll figure that out in the next one. For now, I have one more quest left to do. Then we can figure out if we can get all of them out. I don't know why I didn't want me to talk to him. Let's fix the mailbox. Grandfather Clock needs some metametal to repair the mailbox. Okay, this is everything I need to fix the mailbox. I hope it stays up this time. Meet me over there and we'll take a look. I'm officially out of metametal. and walk into Grandfather Clock. Well, there we go. I hope it stays fixed this time. Last time I fixed it, I came back the next day and it was broken again. Maybe something knocked it over in the middle of the night. Right. Wait, what's making that shadowy thing? I have no idea what made that shadowy movement. Anyway. Old mattress? Oh wait, I picked up an old mattress, right? A yucky old mattress can be recycled into food. Let's recycle everything. I don't know why I scroll to click close. I can't scroll to click close. I just want to see something. Are you down here? Yes, I can talk to you! Guess we're talking to you next time. Bye! Hey Crow, I think we're going to bed. We've got 22 confidence badges. And I think that's about it for today, hey? We didn't have to do much. We just done some errands with Grandfather Clock. Today was just a simple errand day. That's it. Let's see. Okay, so our new recipe is a crafting recipe over here. We've got a wooden box, the perfect starting point for all kinds of projects. Craft at the workbench needs lumboards and stuff. We know this. Why does Grandfather... Oh, so they're dirty. The splat means they're dirty. Okay, so that means I have to clean Grandfather Clock and Pale Rider. Dirty from helping move the giant bell. So now I need to figure out how to clean them. Maybe they need a home? I'm assuming this means houses. Guess we'll have to figure it out. But I thought they stayed in the ship. Okay, we'll figure it out. So we have 2 requests left. One that needs a refrigerator. Don't know where that is. I'm assuming it's a crafting recipe. And then one that wants oil. That's it. That's all we got time for today. Bye! What was that sound? I guess the mailbox fell. But we'll check that out the next time. Bye!